Okay, question one. This is from the June 2010 pilot paper. And we've got a mid-ordinate rule question. It says we're going from 1 to 3. And so the very first thing we've got to do is be very careful how to strip this. We want 4 strips. So 1, 2, 3. 4 strips, check them. 1, 2, 3, 4 strips. You don't want to go wrong with your stripping. Now, what values have we got? Well, halfway between 1 and 3 is 2. Here we've got 1.5, and here we've got 2.5. It's the mid-ordinate rule, so we don't want those values. We want the mid values. So the mid values in the middle of all of these, we've got 1.25, 1.75, 2.25, and 2.75. There's all our x values. In our next job, we've got to try and find out what the y values are. And that means putting these numbers into this formula here. I've got the calculator up, so I'm going to go into mode 7, the table mode here, and just type in the formula we're going for. It's 1 plus e to the x, e to the alpha x. And what are we going from? We're going from 1.25, that's the lowest one there, the 1.25. So start is at 1.25. I'm going all the way up to 2.75, the last one. And the step, the width of each one is 0.5. And there's all our answers there. So let's get those written down. 2.119, 2.5989, 3.2384, and the last one, just scroll down a bit. What's the last one? The last one is 4.0795. Now the mid-ordinate rule then just says we've got to do the width. The width of each of these things is 0.5 times by the grand total of all of these. That grand total, you tap it into your calculator. It turns out when you do 0.5 times that to get 6.01801. Let's check it. What do we need? 4 significant figures. Go back and check all of your rounding at the end. So re-rounding this to 4 significant figures, that gives us that.